Hello everyone, I want to tell you that all the information here has been verified and gathered through personal conversations with all the mechanics at the shop where I am right now. If you're driving your Mitsubishi and suddenly the message FCM radar blocked appears along with the red triangle, the first thing to do is don't panic. Your car hasn't gone crazy. It's just that the Forward Collision Mitigation FCM system, which controls automatic braking and adaptive cruise, can't see properly what's in front of it. Basically, it's saying, hey, something is blocking my radar. Check it before continuing. Here's the first tip from the mechanics. The most common cause is something physically blocking the radar. It could be mud, dust, snow, ice, splashed water, or even a little fuzz sticking to the front grille or the glass covering the sensor. Cleaning this area carefully often makes the message disappear instantly. Yes, sometimes it's really that simple. Now, if you've cleaned everything and the warning is still there, don't worry. The mechanics say that sometimes the system just needs a car reset. Turning the car off and back on can reset the radar and make it work again for a few miles before the message comes back. It's like telling the car, relax, you can see again. But if the message persists, it could be something a bit more serious, like a misaligned or damaged sensor bracket. Some mechanics have found that even without visible damage, the bracket where the radar is mounted can shift or bend slightly, confusing the system. Adjusting or replacing it and then recalibrating the radar usually solves the problem completely. Another point the experts mention is that the radar or the ECU module may need professional calibration. If everything looks in place but the message continues, taking the car to an authorized shop for recalibration with official tools is the best way to ensure the FCM works properly and doesn't give false warnings. And keep in mind the weather conditions. Several mechanics note that the warning appears more often in very cold weather, heavy rain, or snowy roads. Even if the sensor looks clean, condensation or tiny ice particles can make the radar think it's blocked. In many cases, after a few minutes of driving, the radar sees again and the message disappears on its own.